ticket holders? Ha?
Nasaan ang mga VIP ticket holders namin dyan?
3, 2, 1. Next, 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. Next bus po, apat na bus ng Puno ng 15 ha. Let's go. Next bus po, thank you so much. That's right.
Okay, 3. Tingin kaya tayo. 3, 2, 1. Tingin sa harap. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Last. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.
Yan. Sa artist po, pwede mo tayo bumaba dito sa ating phone.
Thank you so much.